Welcome back to another episode of Spec Talk. I'm Kiara from APC, and today we're talking about flooring specifications for stadiums and large-scale venues. The kind of spaces that see huge crowds, round-the-clock use, and a constant cycle of events and activity. Stadium floors are some of the hardest working surfaces out there. You've got foot traffic in the tens of thousands, heavy equipment being rolled in and rolled out, staff loading and unloading gear, catering setups, cleanup crews, forklifts and service areas, the list goes on. And all of that takes a toll. Specifying a flooring system that's industrial grade, impact resistant, and able to hold up long term without cracking, wearing down, or constantly needing repairs is critical. The moment weak points show up in a stadium environment, they turn into hazards fast, and the cost of ongoing maintenance adds up quickly. The next major priority is slip resistance. With so many people moving through different zones in all kinds of weather, it's imperative to reduce the risk of slips and falls. That means smart surface selection, the right level of texture, and systems that can hold their grip even when wet. Bathrooms, kitchens, entry airlocks, staircases, and loading docks are all high-risk areas, and a flooring system has to be fit for purpose, both for public safety and to meet regulatory compliance. And of course, stadiums are public spaces, so flooring plays a key role in the overall presentation of the venue. In premium seating zones, foyers, lounges, or even general concourse areas, the look of the floor matters. It can help with wayfinding, reflect team colours, incorporate logos, or just create a clean, professional environment that lifts the whole experience for fans, staff, and guests. So what are the systems we typically specify in stadiums? Let's start with Ultraflake and Hyperflake. These are decorative flake systems that combine durability with visual appeal. They come in a wide range of colours, flake sizes, and finish options, including essential for a matte look, crystal for high gloss and depth, or grip for added safety. Both the Ultraflake and Hyperflake systems are seamless, easy to maintain, and tough enough to handle everything from daily foot traffic to regular cleaning cycles. You'll often see them used in public-facing areas like concourses, bar outlets, staircases, cloakrooms, and amenities, but also in quieter zones like VIP boxes, lounges, and quiet rooms. They're also a great fit for locker rooms and team showers where both performance and presentation matter. In areas where slip resistance is the top priority, we specify Court Shield. This system uses a full quartz broadcast to create a tough, high-grip surface that's ideal for wet zones and service-heavy environments. It's UV stable, so it performs well in external entry areas and covered walkways, and holds up to daily washdowns and chemical exposure in places like kitchens, bathrooms, loading bays, and maintenance rooms. Areas such as amenities, locker rooms, team showers, and kitchens will require a 50mm radius floor-to-wall cove to support hygiene standards and make cleaning more efficient. For back-of-house operations, we often recommend the Matrix system. This is a heavy-duty solution that delivers long-term chemical and impact resistance. It's built for high-abuse areas, things like loading docks, technical rooms, plant areas, corridors, and storage zones. Anywhere there's equipment being moved, tools being used, or machinery in play, Matrix is the system to rely on. It keeps maintenance low and performance high even under constant pressure. When you're specifying for a stadium, it's not about finding the one system that does it all. It's about zoning the space properly, understanding how each area is used, and matching the flooring system to those demands. That's what keeps the space safe, professional, and operational in the long run. If you're working on a stadium spec and want support with the system selection, zone mapping, gloss or slip options, our team can help. We work with architects, engineers, and contractors across Australia on projects of all sizes. and we know what it takes to get the flooring spec right. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Spec Talk. I'll see you next time.